Morning students of class 9. Yeah, welcome back to the online classes now. Let us continue our lesson in history. We are doing socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Now we have reached 3.0 and here this is the subtitle, the February Revolution in Petrograd. So now here in our previous class we have learned that the workers' quarters were on the right bank of the river Neva, and factory and the workers' quarters were on the right bank, and on the left bank of the city where VIPs, or you can say posh colony, was there. Even the parliament was on the right bank. So the people or the workers, factory workers, raised slogans against the Tsar government. They revolted, they protested against the Tsar government about the rise in prices of food grains, about the better condition of work conditions, about reduction of wages, 20% reduction of wages, as well as the Tsar government's inability to tackle the situation. The people were not happy, they were upset, and they started raising the voice. First one factory was closed down, striked, the work was stopped in one factory, and later on in the next day, after 2-3 days, 50 factories they joined or supported the workers. In this way the revolution started in Russia. So now on the February Revolution in Petrograd, that is from page 35. On Sunday, it was Sunday, 25th February, the date is also given, 25th February 1970. The government suspended Duma. So the Tsar government suspended Duma. So as the Duma was suspended, the politicians, they were against the Tsar government now. They spoke about, or they spoke out against the steps taken by the Tsar government. Now here, the demonstrators means that the striking factory workers, peasants, the striking factory workers and the peasants returned in large numbers to the streets of the left bank of the river Neva. So the factory workers, politicians, even many soldiers, they left the job and joined the protesters, and they came on the right bank or on the left bank. So they returned in large numbers to the streets on the right bank of the river Neva. On 26th February, on next day, they return again. Number 4. On 27th February, every day they return. Police headquarters were ransacked. Ransacked means destroyed. Police headquarters were ransacked. People raised slogans. About bread, high prices of bread, wages, reduction of wages, 20% reduction in wages, better working condition, as well as working hours must be reduced to 8 hours, and work and democracy. They started raising the voice, slogans against the Tsar government. The government called out cavalry again. The government called out cavalry. Cavalry, I have already told you in our previous class, the soldiers who rode horses. The government called out cavalry once again. And the government, the Tsar government, the Tsar Nicholas II, ordered them to fire at the demonstrators. However, cavalry refused to fire at the demonstrators. The cavalry refused that. They are our people. We are not going to shoot. Why? Why our people should be killed? So we do not want to shoot. So the cavalry refused to fire at the demonstrators. By evening, many soldiers had left the job. By evening, soldiers who left the job and the workers had gathered to form a Soviet. So they gathered to form a Soviet. A large number of workers, they gathered there, and even the soldiers, peasants, they gathered to form a Soviet. Soviet means a council, or you can say the council. So they gathered in the same building as the Duma met. Because the Duma was already suspended, it was empty, the parliament was empty, and these workers and the soldiers and the peasants, they entered the Duma and they wanted to form or set up constitution. So they met there. This was known as Petrograd Soviet. This was just known as Petrograd Soviet. Just like the French Revolution, where the National Assembly was formed outside in the Versailles, similar in the tennis court, similarly in Russia also, as the Duma was suspended by the Tsar government, these workers and the soldiers who had already left the job, they gathered in the same building as the Duma met, and they formed Petrograd Soviet. This was the first Petrograd Soviet. An organization was formed to form constitution or to set up constitution for the Russian people. So that was there, and in our next class we'll continue what happened after that. So this much for today. You go through this. Thank you very much for paying so much attention, and you have listened carefully. Many of the students, they are not going through the online portal, they are just passing the time like that. So ultimately they will suffer in this way. So they will not make out head or tail of it. So that's all for today. So thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class.